SUMBYCOLOR is a function that we're going to look in this video. It's a very interesting function and will come in use in many situations. I have this list of sales data of different representatives and that are marked in red, yellow and green color. What I need is very simple. I need to get the sum of all the red, yellow and green. So I will write the formula SUMBYCOLOR. Now give the range which you want to sum and then the reference color. The reference color should be an hex value of the color that you want to sum. To get the hex code, there is a very easy way. Just click on the cell and then click on color. Click on plus button and then you will get the hex code. Copy the hex code and click on OK. Now write the function once again. It got populated. Now let's write the same function for the other two colors as well. We got the numbers populated. For SUMBYCOLOR and for many such interesting functions and macros, go to Google add-on store and install the add-on Clippy.